Oh, what, ini him, love him.
Yes, I really love my boyfriend.
Oh my God.
Uncle, do you want to see my boyfriend?
I am 19 too.
Really?
Yes, really.
No, you. I think you is 45.
No, 45. Ngawasam gue nembak. 19.
Oh, no, you 45 or
Yay.
46.
Yay, 19.
Do you want to see my boyfriend and me?
Yes.
Of course. Tada! So,
Fish.
oh, do you want to see my boyfriend face?
Yeah.
Of course. Look.
What? Ugly.
You ugly. My boyfriend is handsome. No.
Not handsome.
Handsome. You ugly.
No. Who's handsome? Him
My
or me?
boyfriend.
Him or me?
My boyfriend handsome.
No. I'm most handsome.
Sure. You want to invite me?
No.
Invite. We are.
Yes, I follow you, yeah?
Yeah. Okay,
You
uncle.
follow back. You fail. No, uncle.
Uncle.
You say handsome man. What's time now is your country?
What?
What time now is your country?